Hi everyone, today I'm going to review one of my recent projects which I designed for a personal trainer called Josh and his brand called Shield Barbell. So you can see in this website we have maintained a very good color combination, very strict color combination, black, white and gray. So he is selling coaching plans and some of his clients reviews are here. His services are listed there in a very good design. Here he is selling merch items. He is generating a lot of money from this. After that, then there is a about me section, Shield Barbell section, footer section is here, and you can see the header section or the heroes section is here. Very striking hero section, attractive hero section. There is a book appointment section. From this section he is taking booking through Calendly, so you can see I can confirm a booking from this particular contract form or booking form. After that, then I designed many other pages for him. This is the coaching page. You can see 3-column coaching page structure. Column contact us page is here, and then there is a product section or shop section. He is selling a lot of items here. Then there is his program details, what kind of programs are available. So if you are looking for a website similar to this, and if you are a fitness coach, then please knock me.